Please, no.
Unhand the night goblin.
Hmm?
Oh no!
Calm down, pal. Sorry about him. My name is Adwin, and this is Trio. He only speaks Goblin.
Oh, so what are you doing here?
Good question. I guess we're the guardians around here. We fight off dragons and whatnot.
Yeah, we did.
Yes, we do now. Shush. There's one now. You'll never leave here alive. Have at thee. I never return.
What the hell?
So, anyway, are you lost? Not many folk around here.
Oh yeah, I was looking for the lake.
Lake? I don't think I've ever seen a lake around here. Have you?
Uh-huh.
It's right here, in my map. See, right there.
Mind if I see? Huh. Yes. Ah, so there it is.
No, it's this way.
Much clearer now, thanks. So, that means you're on a quest. Can we join?
Sure, I guess.
Yay, quest! Let's go.
Look, a tree is falling in our path.
That's a big tree. It'll be tough to break through. But we can use my hammer.
Alright,
Or we could go around.
Yeah, yes, all that. Right, we're here.
So where's the lake?
Should be right here. Huh?
The lake!
Yay, we did it!
You got us lost.
Sorry? So, what now?
I am the Lady of the Lake,
Oh, let go.
and you shall
don't
be
do
my
that.
champion.
I don't have
Who?
any there.
Me?
Get off.
Yes,
Trio,
you girl.
You're like a little...
I present to you this ancient sword with which you shall kill thee.
I'm sorry. Would you give me a moment, please?
Ouch! That actually really hurt. Now you're in for it.
Oi! You two.
Huh? Uh-oh.